Hello friends, welcome back to NoLogicNoTrade. In today's video, we are diving deep into the Nifty IT Index, analyzing the price chart, and discussing some key reasons why the Indian IT industry might be heading for a downturn. So let's take a look at the chart. If you look at the chart, the index has been struggling to break this strong resistance level for past 17 trading sessions. So this is the daily time frame, and despite attempting a breakout multiple times, it failed, and then it somehow started drifting downwards. If we switch the time frame to a weekly time frame, and we see that in just last week it corrected by 3.76%, and in just today's trading session it lost another 1.1%. So cumulative it fell around 4% in just 1 week. It's an indication that there is some pressure which is building up. If we move on to monthly chart for a larger picture, we can see that it has been in continuous downtrend for past few months. It did a brief recovery for 2 months, but that rally appears to be fizzing out now, and we see it has, I mean, resumed its downtrend, and right now it's currently hovering a key support trend line. And if this level breaks, the downside could accelerate with no clear bottom in sight, because if the numbers are not good, we don't know what could be the next bottom for it, whether it could stop here or it could stop here. We don't know. So what could be the possible reason, or what might be causing the downtrend? So clearly weak results from TCS. We all know the numbers are not good, TCS being such a giant uh, IT leader in Indian market. But the soft numbers from TCS did not go well with the investors and the market sentiments. So market is anticipating if Infosys and Wipro and other companies are going to follow the same suit. And if that happens, we could see a deeper correction in the Nifty IT index. The other point is tariff and visa issues from the US. Uh, the US administration is continuously revising visa policies. They are continuously talking about tariffs, and there are some political uncertainties which are creating troubles for the Indian IT exports. This is causing the investors to lose confidence, especially for the companies which are heavily dependent upon the American clients. And then with the rise of AI, the AI has already disrupted the traditional outsourcing models. So recently, Google announced that its AI system are now writing production level code. So this is a direct threat to the Indian IT industries, which have been in the limelight for past few years because of their low cost coding jobs. So if the AI is going to be that good in writing codes, the client may prefer the automation over outsourcing. And then historically, the Indian IT industry has been services oriented, focusing more on execution than their own innovation. As a result, we are facing a gap in the R&D and tech incubation, which is crucial in the area of AI and advanced software platforms. So if we look at the chart, it is telling something. The news also does not sound good for the Indian IT industry. So it looks like the Indian IT sector might be heading into a rough patch. And as traders or investors, it is very important to stay alert and understand the bigger picture. So we know the price action happens first and the news follows later. So the price action is suggesting something might be going to happen. We don't know yet. So it's better to be cautious. Please take care. Then if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more such deep dives. Please share the video to your friends who might be actively investing in the markets. And then one disclaimer, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. Please do your own research before making any investment decision. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Have a good day.